Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a poster on Canva. So start by going to canva.com, canva.com. You might need to log in first using login with your Google account. And you're going to click up here, create a design, and I want you to click on poster. It's going to open up a screen for you that has a blank poster template, and there's some templates over here. Okay? Once you're in here, you can start adding details. There is text. There's some pre-made text you might want to use. If you click on it, you can edit the text by typing. You can also just choose your own heading, type it in, and there's some different font options up here, as well as colors. You can change the size. You can put it in italics. You can underline. There's also some effects if you'd like. To resize, you can also just drag it right here and move it around. So you're going to add your name to start. Okay. Next thing you're going to do is you can start adding some elements and designs. So elements is located right here on the left. There are shapes you can use. There are some frames, stickers, charts, grids, gradients. There's a whole bunch of theme topics. And you can also search. So I like to travel. So if I want to look up something to do with travel, I might type in airplane. You're going to get a whole bunch of different options, and some of them are labeled free, and some of them have this crown that says pro. You want to look for the ones that are free because we don't have the paid version. So find one that you like. I like this airplane. And you can move it around. You can make it bigger or smaller as you wish. You can rotate it. You can also change the colors. So up here on the left, there's some different color options. You can choose straight from those. So you can really add a lot of your own details and designs as you wish. You can flip it if you want as well, either way. Okay. There's so many different elements you can choose from and add those details as you wish. But remember, make sure you pick the free ones and customize them. You might also want to add some background features. These gradients are kind of cool. You can put them behind other things. It's going to initially be on top. To make it go behind, you're going to right click on your mouse and say send to back, and it will put it behind whatever you had and makes a really cool effect and design detail. So there's all these features right here. You could add some shapes as you wish. Another thing is called photos. You can upload your own photo by clicking upload, and that's where you're going to put your selfie. Take a selfie on your computer or phone and click upload, and you can attach it from your computer or phone or from Google Drive. Lots of options, add that in there. I have a photo right here, I click it and there it is. You can resize that. And you can add your other photos. So if you find another photo that you really like using Google, using copyright-free images, you could do that. And Canva has lots of options for you just by looking through. So maybe I wanted something to do with the ocean. I like swimming. We search ocean, and I'm going to look. The ones with the crown are paid. I don't want those. I want the ones that are free. So maybe, oh, this one's kind of cool. I could put this as a background behind my photo. Right now it's on top. To put it behind, right click, send to back. And I can change how see-through it is or not. So up here, there's something called transparency. When you click on that, you can make it lighter and darker, depending on how much you want it to stand out. There's also some background options you can click from here. It will put a background automatically behind, however you wish, and you can change the colors as well. Finally, there's some styles if you have specific color things you might like. But those are all the basics you'll need to make your own poster. Make it unique to yourself, add your details. And when you're done, make sure you share it with me if you're not already added to my Canva account. Okay, there you go.